Picture yourself where the sky touches the sea. A brand new West Vancouver luxury home designed by David Christopher Signature Estates. Winding down the heated driveway to the front of the residence, we're greeted by the uniquely designed water fountain and separated 3-car garage. The 16,270 square foot lot leaves ample space for parking, recreating, or simply enjoying the spectacular vistas that surround the property. The soaring views from this custom-built Homes by Valentino residence stretch across the Burrard Inlet from the Lionsgate Bridge to Stanley Park to UBC. Located in one of West Vancouver's most desirable neighborhoods, the property is just a short walk to Chartwell Elementary, Sentinel Secondary, Hollyburn Country Club, and a short drive to Cypress Mountain Ski Resort. This stately home features 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and 3 floors connected by elevator. Stepping inside, we find over 10,000 square feet of elegance woven together by a water jet, cutting Rui design, which brings good feng shui, good fortune, and good luck to the home. First up is the grand foyer, which includes 20 hand-painted ceilings above a SchonbeCk crystal chandelier. Moving into the kitchen, we find top-of-the-line appliances by Miele and Wolf, along with elegantly designed pearl diamond cabinets which lend the space a unique charm. Gas fireplaces and marble stone features are also included throughout each of the common areas. The 3 levels of the home are connected by 4-foot wave stairs, Italian tile floors, and oak hardwood. Other design details include mahogany doors, Italian cabinets from BFJ, and as a finishing touch, Robert Carvalli tile flooring in the elevator. Each of the 6 bedrooms includes an ensuite, and each also has access to balcony areas, allowing family members and guests alike the opportunity to step outside and enjoy the spectacular ocean vistas at any time of day. From above, the backyard and swimming area come into view, beckoning you to sit and relax against the stunning natural backdrop. Rarely is such a level of exacting precision and design detail ever seen in a single-family residence. For entertaining, the home features a specially designed Italian-made wine bar, the only one of its kind in Vancouver, along with a separate wine display cellar. The Control 4 system brings ambiance and stretches to the recreational features, which include a sauna and steam shower. All told, this home is a private sanctuary designed around the uniqueness of its surroundings, evoking both excitement and serenity. and allowing every member of the family to embrace the beautiful things in life.